Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this channel. In the last video, we discussed text basics like adding, deleting, and editing text, undo and redo, copy, cut, paste, selecting paragraph and texts and symbols. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can format the text and text alignment. So let's get started. Here I'm going to zoom in this document. To zoom in, I'm going to hold the control key and use the mouse scroll up to zoom in. We can do the formatting for the existing text. For that, you have to select the text and then we can apply the formatting. Or else we can set up the formatting, then you can start to type the text. In the two ways we can carry on. I'm going to select this text and we can apply the formats. For example, if I want to apply this Times New Roman font, we can apply this. Or else we can search the font, we can type the font name. For example, if I want to apply the Calibri font, we can type the Calibri and you can hit the enter key and you can apply it. The next control is font size. You can change the font size. You can select the text and you can apply the font size. Like that you can apply the specific font size, and also you can type the font size as well. For example, if I need a 25, I can type 25 and I can hit the enter key. The next control is increase font size. We can click this incremental button to increase the font size, and here we have decrease font size. You can click this button to decrease the font size. The shortcut key to increase the font size, you can hold the control key and right curly bracket to increase the font size. To reduce the font size, you can hold the control key and you can use left curly bracket to reduce the font size. The next control is change case. You can click this change case and you can change the case of the selected text. And here we have the first one, sentence case. The first letter of the word will be capital. The second case is lowercase, and all of the letters and characters will be converted into simple characters. The third one is uppercase, and all of the letters and characters transfer to uppercase. The fourth one is capitalize each word. Then the first letter of the word will be converted to uppercase. And the last one is toggle case. That is a inverse of the last option. And here I'm going to apply the uppercase. The next control is bold. Here we have the control, the B, and you can use the shortcut key as well, control B, to make bold this text. The next control is italic. Then you can use shortcut key control I to make the text italic. The next control is underline. I'm going to select this word save. I'm going to press this underline command. The shortcut key to underline is control U. The next control is strike through. I'm going to select this word. I'm going to apply this strike through, and you can have the line in the middle of the text. The next control is subscript, and you can select the text if you want to send a character or if you want to send a couple of characters. You can select the text and you can send the text below the line, little below the line. That is we call subscript. I'm going to select this character number 2. I'm going to press this subscript. The next control is superscript. If you want to have a character just above the line of the text, you can use this feature. Here we have a third. I want to send this R and D about just above the line. I'm going to select this R and D and I'm going to apply this superscript. The next control is text effect. You can select the text, you can select this control and you can apply the specific format that you want to apply. The next control is text highlighter. And if I want to apply a highlighter for a particular word or text, I can select this text and I can come to this control text highlighter color, then I can apply a color for this particular text. The next control is font color. We can select the text that you want to apply the font color and you can click this combo and you can select the color. Here we have the format painter. You can use this format painter to copy the format. Let's see how we can copy the format. Now let's apply a couple of formatting on this text. Already apply the font color. I'm going to apply the bold and underline for this one. That's enough. And let's see how we can copy this format. To copy the formatting, you can select any portion of this area that you want to copy the format. For example, we can select this area Then you can click on this Format Painter. Once you click the Format Painter, you can notice you can have this brush icon. That brush icon means is ready to paste the formatting to other target text. Here we want to apply the formatting, same formatting. I can drag and select, and now it is applied for the same formatting. And if you want to apply for multiple texts or multiple sentence or paragraph, you can use another way. Here I'm going to select the text that you want to copy the formatting, and I'm going to double click this Format Painter. So earlier I have clicked single click, and this time I'm going to double click on the Format Painter. Still I have the brush icon, and I'm going to select the text resources, and still I have the brush and events like that I can select. So we can easily copy and paste the formatting in a quick manner using this Format Painter. Once we want to exit from this Format Painter, here we can see the brush icon. If you want to exit from this Format Painter, we can hit the escape key. The another control is clear formatting, and here we have clear all formatting. And if you don't want any formatting on a text, you can select the text that you want to remove the formatting or delete the formatting, and you can come to this clear all formatting, and you can have the default text. Now let's see the text alignment. By default, Microsoft Word aligns text to the left margin in new documents. Here we have left alignment, that is the default one we have. The shortcut key is Control L. The next alignment is center alignment. If you want to apply this center alignment for the paragraph, you can place your insertion pointer any part of this paragraph, and you can click on this center alignment. The shortcut key is Control E. The next one is right alignment. We can click on this right alignment control. The shortcut key is Control R. The last one is justify. The shortcut key is Control J. So it is justify in this way. So if you have these kind of scenario, national and the center we have water and we have weak, and if you want to avoid this situation, we can hit the enter key like this, and we can hit the delete key to make these changes. Then we can have a separate line in between this title and the paragraph. Then the settings, the justify alignment will be applied to only this paragraph. And I'm going to apply the same alignment for the rest of the paragraph. So let's select the paragraph and apply this justify. Let's select the paragraph and we'll make justify. I'm going to hit the Format Painter. I'm going to drag and select. Nice. Done. That's all in lesson number 5. If you have any queries in this lesson number 5, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you very much, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.